In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy gems in Clash of Clans, a crucial skill for enhancing your gaming experience. Gems in Clash of Clans are essentially the currency that allows you to speed up progress, purchase resources, and even get exclusive items. So knowing how to buy them effectively can really influence your gameplay and give you that extra edge. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Clash of Clans app. Once it's running, make sure you're logging in with your Supercell ID. This is important because having your game linked through Supercell ID not only keeps your progress saved, but also provides a more secure and convenient way to manage your game across different devices. After logging in, hit the login option with your Supercell ID. Here you'll see a list of your accounts. Click on the one you want to use if you have multiple accounts set up. Once selected, it'll lead you straight into the Clash of Clans home screen. Now, here you are at the home screen. Familiarize yourself with the layout and ensure everything looks just right. From here, the next step is to click on the shop. The shop icon is usually represented by a small treasure chest, and it's typically located at the lower right corner of your screen. This is where all the magical transactions happen. Once you're in the shop, you're going to head over to the tab labeled Treasure. In the Treasure tab, you will find the different gem pack options available. This is organized in such a way that you can clearly see the different amounts and the corresponding costs. You can find anything from small packs for a slight boost to larger packs if you're planning a big upgrade spree. Now here's the fun part, it's time to buy the gems. Choose the pack that suits your needs. Remember to consider your budget before making a purchase. Once you've selected your desired pack, it will prompt you for payment. Follow the instructions to complete the transaction securely through your app store and voila, the gems are now yours. Congratulations, you've successfully mastered the art of purchasing gems in Clash of Clans. These gems will be added immediately to your account so you can start using them however you see fit, whether it's speeding up builds or strategically buying resources. Remember, using gems wisely can significantly impact your gameplay. So that's it, folks. Buying gems in Clash of Clans is straightforward once you know how it's done. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you now feel more confident in navigating the game and making the most out of it. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!